Good afternoon all. Today I am going to start chapter Gravitation, class 9 physics. Okay, let us look at the certain or the various landmarks which is going to be discussed, that is called the geocentric theory. First is geocentric theory. Geocentric theory. Geocentric theory is given by Ptolemy. Given by Ptolemy. According to this theory, geo means earth and centric means center. Earth is present at the center and sun is revolving around this. But due to certain lack of experimental evidences, it is rejected. And the second theory is called heliocentric theory. Heliocentric theory is given by Copernicus. And this theory is now worldwide accepted. Helio means sun, centric means center. So Earth is revolving around the center called sun. And after that, law of planetary motions. Law of planetary motion given by J. Kepler. According to this theory, planet is revolving around the sun. Okay, and fourth is called, that is called the law of gravitation. Law of gravitation given by S.I. Newton, that is Sir Isaac Newton. That is called the law of gravitation. Here is the term, here is the gravitations. Gravitation means, graviton means mass. So force acting between two masses is called gravitational force or gravitational pull. It is given by Sir Isaac Newton when it sat in his garden and the apple is fall, and he thought that why the apple is falls on the surface of earth, due to the force of gravity or the gravitational pull of earth. Okay, so next I am going to discuss about the universal law of gravitations. Universal law of gravitation, that is called the law of gravitations, right? Universal law of gravitation. In short, I can call it U-log. It is why it is called universal, because it is applicable throughout the universe, whether the body is kept on the surface of earth, whether the body is kept in air, whether the body is kept in whether the body is celestial, terrestrial, aquatic, everywhere this type of force is applicable. So graviton is the Greek word, means mass. Graviton is the Greek word, means mass. Okay, so here is, there are the two masses. One is called M1, another is called M2, and r is the distance between two masses. Okay, and these two masses kept in air. Two masses are kept in air. This is called point mass. This is also called point mass. Since it is called point mass, because the distance the distance of separation is very large as compared to dimension of the two masses. According to Newton, force of attraction since the nature of gravitational force is attractive, so force of attraction is directly proportional to m1 m2. This is equation number 1. What is the meaning of these two equations? That is the first, that is force is directly proportional to product of masses, that is m1 and m2. If masses will be more, force will be more, and force of attraction is inversely proportional to a square of the distance between two masses. Force is inversely proportional to a square of the distance between two masses, means if r is less, force will be more. Inversely proportional means if one quantity will be increases, another quantity will be decreases. Okay. So when we are mixing these two equations, that is from equation 1 and 2, we get F m1 m2. Okay. When you remove this sign, you will get F equal to capital G m1 m2 divided by r square. Here G is a constant, G is a constant called universal gravitational constant or Newton constant. G is a constant. Simply you can call it G is a constant, but capital G in broad spectrum, capital G is called universal gravitational constant or Newton's constant. Since it is coming from the Newton's law of gravitation, that's why it is called universal gravitational constant. You can also get G equal to F into r square by m1 into m2. You can also have this formula. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Capital G equal to, when you are cross multiplied, F into r square equal divided by m1 and m2, where m1 and m2 are the product of two masses. These are the two masses. Here is the two masses, that is m1 and m2. Okay. And as far as the unit is concerned, suppose unit of G, force Newton, r is the distance, meter square, r square, that is meter square, mass is measured in kg, so kilogram into kilogram. When you are denoting Newton as capital N, meter square m square by kg square. So the unit of capital G is Newton meter square per kg square, and the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay. And this value is called universal. Capital G, whether you are measuring on the surface of earth or aquatic or celestial body, throughout, that is heavenly body, it is applicable throughout the universe, and you will get the value of capital G is uniform or constant throughout the universe. That's why it is called the universal gravitational constant, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay. Suppose if r is 1 and m1 equal to m2 equal to 1, so G equal to F. In place of r you can put 1, and in place of m1 and m2 you can put 1 into 1. You will get capital G, capital F. So when the two body of unit masses, that is 1 kg, and when the both bodies are separated by distance 1 meter, then universal gravitational constant must be equals to gravitational force. Okay, thank you.